Hello, students. Once again, we are here to fill the concept sheets, and this time the topic is articles. Articles are of three articles are there in English language: a, and the. A and an are called indefinite articles because they do not refer to a particular things or a person, and that is why they are indefinite articles. Like I met a friend of mine at the theater, and the word the article the is called definite article because it refers to a specific things or a specific person. In the first exercise, we have to put a or an eggs. Start with the e and it sounds a, so it's an eggs. The word which sounds with A E I O U. There we have to put an, and other consonant words we will write a. So fill all these words in exercise 2. Again you have to fill with a and an where necessary. If not necessary, you just cross the. I want to buy an X-ray a X-ray plant. So you have to fill these exercises a and where necessary. If it is not necessary, just cross there. Same thing in your exercise 3 also, you have to fill with a and, but here is the article number 3, that is the for the definite place or definite articles. Like they waited for her for an hour. Why? The word is start with the H word. It sounds ah. So H is silent and sounds R. So we will write an R. Then B, the moon. It's an universal truth. The moon is shining in the sky. So students, fill this exercise where A is required, an is required, and article the is required. Fill these sheets and write your name here along with the date. We will meet in our next session once again with new topics of this concept sheets. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.